Your Honor, Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Mr. Ginyard.
For the record, Your Honor, my name is Terrence Ginyard.
And Your Honor,
He's waiving.
he is waiving. I do have an offer to place on the record as it stands. That offer is that he waive for the purposes of pleading to one count of the firearms possession by a prohibited person. Count 2 and count 3 would be dismissed. It would also be a plea to count 4, the misdemeanor receiving and concealing 200 or more. That would come with a forfeiture of the weapon, restitution, if any, standard conditions upon that waiver. That's what people's understanding.
All right. Mr. Ginyard, you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination, sir? Yes, sir, Your Honor. All right. You understand that a preliminary examination is a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them. Yes, sir, Your Honor. You understand you'll not have that hearing. You'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution. Yes, I do, Your Honor. All right. People also waive the right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bound over to circuit court on counts 1 through 3 with 4 following.
Your Honor, we would acknowledge receipt of information, waive formal reading, stand mute at this time.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute to all counts, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
January 7th at 1:30 before Judge comes.
January 27, 2025, 1:30 before judge comes.
Your Honor,
Yes,
if we may address bond at this time.
briefly.
Your Honor, my clients, I think the court has the information from last time with regard to the blood results that he was able to take. At this time, I am still asking for his release. He's willing to do tether at whatever conditions that the court deems necessary to. He received a 7-day notice to quit, eviction notice that starts today. He has also got a kid who is autistic, whose birthday is today. He lost his job, unfortunately, as a result of this case, understandably so. He's going to need to move out of that location, as the court knows, for purposes of securing new housing for his family, his children especially. I would just ask for a plea for his release at this time on PR.
Any response from the people?
No, Your Honor.
Well, why are you drinking? Sir? Go ahead.
So I got the blood test on the 2nd to show that I wasn't drinking. I wasn't drinking, Your Honor, on the 22nd. I didn't have any alcohol. That's why I went on my way to pay for a blood test. And the blood test, the levels was 1.0 and it said 1.4 is 0 to low alcohol.
Yeah, but
Yes, sir.
I remember going through all of that last time, and I'm telling you that test doesn't tell me much.
We understand that, Your Honor.
Because I've got repeated tests where on the 22nd and the 27th, you're testing positive, you're drinking.
The one time I did say that I was drinking in November, Your Honor, I did admit to that. I definitely did. And you said we'll put it for
Put it over.
We'll adjourn it or whatever. And then we just got to this adjournment with what I proved that I wasn't drinking. And
No, you didn't.
sir.
Hold on.
Okay.
You didn't. That's not what that test shows me.
I have, so CMH has given me what I wanted to tell you, a shot.
The Vivitrol.
Yes. And that's like an alcohol blocker. And they said, if I drink on that, bad things can happen to me.
Where is that?
That's what CMH, sir.
Your Honor, I don't have receipt.
I don't have that before me. You're telling me
That's what I'm going to be put on. I'm already taking.
so you're not put on it right now?
No, sir.
Your Honor, I would ask for consideration for random drops at this point, if the court would be willing to consider that. I think that would, I think testing in front of someone at this point may be helpful in terms of monitoring the situation versus the scram tether or sober link. I would ask for consideration for that. I do know that my client has a desperate need to leave the jail.
I understand that, but I also understand what he's done to get himself there, because he wasn't there to start with. And now you're asking me to change it, and I haven't been shown anything. really that's convinced this court that those episodes didn't occur. And he's not on a medication that's gonna stop him from drinking.
For your mama. Hey, dude, I'm on.
Seriously. So this is, I mean, nothing's changed from the last time that I denied it. And so he'll be up for Judge Conkey. Maybe she'll feel differently than that, but
I'll do anything to any type of drops though, Your Honor. They do want to put me on the thing today as far as the Vivitrol. They told me tonight I can get a shot, but it's also if I'm going to be
You're
here.
telling me that, but I don't have anything that indicates that. I have nothing in writing saying that's what's gonna happen.
I just was trying to move, man. I know I have to move, but I have a 7-day eviction. Since I've been in here, I don't really know what to do. I have an autistic son. I have a lot at
Mr.
home.
Ginyard, I understand and I can appreciate the circumstances. that
No
you're in.
scram tether or anything I can do, sir, for you? Anything, just for a week, just to show till I come back to court?
I'm not changing my position on it. I've said what I've said. You can take it before Judge Conkey. She may feel differently. All right. Bond is denied. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Motion for bond reduction. Court calls the case People versus Preston Walls.
Hey, please assign Court David Burgess on behalf of Preston Walls, who's approaching.
Your name? Preston Walls. Thank you.
Your Honor, discoveries, we've received discovery, asking for an exam date.
People have their witnesses available the 27th.
Yes.
Preliminary examination in person will be set January 27th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Barr.
Your Honor, could I maybe briefly address the issue of bond?
Briefly.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, bond's currently set at 100,000 cash surety. My client has no prior convictions, does reside with his aunt, is employed full-time as a security guard. Understand the serious nature of the charges, Judge, asking the court to at least consider a 10% provision on the current bond.
Your Honor, we object defendant's use of breaking into a car to steal a firearm, and during the whole incident, I understand he spoke to the victim and himself were shot as a result of the gun going off.
We don't disagree with that, Your Honor, but it's not by my client's hand. So
Yes, I don't understand
my
that.
client did not possess the weapon.
But two people got shot.
There were 3 people present, Your Honor. My client was
Two of them got shot, not your client.
my client got shot, somebody else got shot, but he never possessed the firearm. So I'm not sure the specifics of that. One of the other 2.
But all of that wouldn't have occurred but for at least the alleged actions of your client.
I understand. I just thought the
Okay.
people, I was addressing the aggravating aspect of it, Your Honor.
Motion for bond reduction is denied. Bond. Court does call the case People versus Michael Compton.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Vincent on behalf of Michael Clapton, who's coming forward. Michael, state your name for the record. Michael Clapton.
Your name?
Michael Clapton.
Thank you.
Need a date for a prelim exam, Your Honor.
Discovery is complete.
I have all the discovery I need.
I don't know what that means. And people have their witnesses available the 27th.
Ooh, could I check 27th? I'm here unattended.
You're alone?
Yes, it's scary, believe me.
God.
Amanda's home taking care of her 4-year-old with a fever.
She give you, she sent you here alone.
I totally alone. I'm filing a grievance, by the way. With the
You're not, I don't even know why you're looking on your phone, because it's not gonna tell you anything.
yes. I've been sitting here for.
Your
an hour
schedule is
figuring out
not
my
on your phone. It
I
is in
need a
Amanda's
compliment
head.
Once in a while.
What?
I need a compliment once in a while. How about the 5th of February? Is that okay? Because I'm looking at my calendar.
No, that would not be, see, this is the problem. You're just picking dates from,
No, I'm actually looking on my calendar.
Okay, so it needs to be a Tuesday.
The 3rd, February.
Are you?
May I approach the bench and I will,
No, I don't want to see it, because I'm just saying, I know you've got a calendar in there. All phones do.
and I've asked,
That's just not the one that you use. Well, you may. It's okay, I'll give you the 3rd. And then just let Amanda know if it needs to be moved to contact the prosecutor's
as soon as
office.
I get back.
February 3rd, 2026, 9 a.m. before. Who?
Harry.
Judge Perry. Bond will continue.
Thank you for the encouragement.
Well, I'm just real. All right, thank you. Your name, ma'am?
Kirby Starow.
Wow.
Excuse me.
I mean, bless you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, and I'm sorry, Miss. Did I sneeze? I'm sorry.
I just sneezed on the deputy.
He had all this protection.
Really?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
I don't know. I'm gonna do some green sheets. I spoke to Ms. Snyder about, we were initially just gonna have her cases set for preliminary exam, but I just spoke to the prosecutor about her case. We're gonna adjourn it for 2 weeks, to see if we can resolve it instead. I'll do some green sheets, for the case. If not, we'll be setting them for preliminary exam.
Okay, because she still has this, she still got a bench warrant from the community corrections violation. Is that right? That's on case 1922.
It's not my case. My cases are ending in 04.
They gave me one extra file. She only has 2 cases, right?
Okay, because I thought the other case was dismissed, under Ms. Costantino. Is that correct?
No, that's not even her.
Okay.
I
okay.
don't know why it was granted to me.
It's- No, yeah, no, you're fine, don't worry about it. So, Your Honor, we're asking for just a 2-week adjournment to see if we can resolve this short of the preliminary exam. Oh, Your Honor, you already signed an order releasing her to treatment. I don't know what's going on, but they're struggling to get people released to treatment right now. Mrs. Kirby, I did email Patrick and Sarah again to see what the whole is, so.
And just so that we're clear, I don't know if there's a struggle. I will speak up for those at the jail. There's a lot of people that are leaving for.
Yes. Mhm.
It's just
I didn't mean it in a
the
negative way.
capacity,
You know I didn't-
number we have has exceeded the capacity that's out there. And they are trying to get people out as best as they can. And my understanding are working very hard to try to do that, so.
Your Honor, I 1000% agree. I didn't mean to imply otherwise. That was,
Oh, no, you were trying to
Sorry.
slam them
that was not.
and I wasn't gonna let you.
Thank you, Your Honor, for fixing
I
that.
was standing up for
Yes, you were.
them. How
So-
long adjournment do you need?
2 weeks, 2 weeks, Your Honor.
2 weeks. Probable cause conference, January 29, 2026, 9 a.m. bond continuing.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You.
We'll talk to you this afternoon. May I approach, Your Honor?
What? Why do you not have those?
Because it was supposed to be.
You want to know? No, I don't want an answer. Watch, the next time she's not gonna have a green sheet.